What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to answer a couple of questions. Is Volkswagen eGolf worth the money? Is Volkswagen eGolf practical family car? What is the range of Volkswagen eGolf? Is it a good idea to buy Volkswagen eGolf while Volkswagen ID.4 is coming? So you can make the right decision before you buy electric car and possibly save some money. Stay to the end of this video because at the end I'm going to show you acceleration from 0 to 100 km an hour. This is small car in general, but if your expectations are not too big, then trunk capacity is quite decent for this class. You have available 341 liters. You can lower the floor to fit more luggage or fold down the seats to increase boot capacity. You can easily fit baby buggy or large luggage suitcase inside with backpack. Great and practical idea was to divide seats so you can fold down only one part. The other idea is for transporting ski or long item without folding down the seats. For small family, let's say 2 adults and 2 small children, that car should be spacious enough. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider to click subscribe button so you will see when new interesting video will be uploaded. Unfortunately, in front we don't have a boot as it is in other electric vehicles. Manufacturer decided to put their electric components. From the other side, maybe that's benefit for future repairs to have a nice and easy access to all electric devices. It is very easy to mount a child seat. It's no matter if it's front facing or back facing. Quite tall adults should fit in the front seat, having some space in front of the knees. Another thing I like about this car is instrument cluster. It's very modern, looks very nice, and you have all information which you need. And in addition, you can always adapt it slightly. I like the steering wheel, it's very solid, and I like the blue stitching over here, it's very nice. Car is well built. Parts fit together very well. Large screen 9.2 inches make this car look very modern, even these days. User interface is alright, but speed and responsiveness of the screen is a bit laggy. This eGolf has 8 speakers, however I feel sound is a little bit boxy. Only thing I do not understand is why we need this gear lever so big, and we have very nice cup holders. Backup camera is not the best quality. However, we have parking sensors on the back and in the front, which is very good in car this class. One very smart thing is you have a pocket for your sunglasses over here. It's very handy. Oops. Remember, the smaller rim, the longer range. This is front-wheel drive car. Because of electric motor, Volkswagen is very responsive and nippy around the corners. On the highways, eGolf is less energetic. Road noise is average for this type of car. In many cases, you don't need to use brakes due to regenerative braking. Seats might be a bit uncomfortable for longer journeys. I just want to show you how easy is charging and how convenient is that. You just connect the cable to the wall, the other side to the car, and the car is charging. 3, 2, 1, go! Is Volkswagen eGolf worth money? Definitely yes, especially now when ID.4 is coming, prices are very low. Many people try to get rid of the car when they still can, because they are afraid to have troubles with guarantee or spare parts later on, which cannot be the case. It shouldn't be any problem with that. You can use that opportunity to get very decent price for a car, and this is affordable car. Is Volkswagen eGolf practical family car? If your expectations are not too high for this price range, then you will be more than happy. This is proper city car, easy to park, perfect for small journeys, up to 300-400 kilometers if you consider time spent for charging. Personally, I like this car, maybe as second car in the house. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, see you next time.